Self-trust isn't built through pressure. Welcome to day 27 in this 30-day self-trust challenge with me, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. Safety has to come first. Okay, so for us to start to return to ourselves and build this self-trust, we need to know that pressure isn't the way that we're going to get there. Okay? Pressuring ourselves to do something doesn't feel safe. And if our nervous system and our body don't feel safe, we are not going to continue to build on self-trust. So if your body doesn't feel safe, it's going to default to protection, control, disconnection. That's not failure. That's actually really smart for your body to do that. But because our nervous system prioritizes safety over trust. And sometimes for a nervous system to feel safe, it even hangs on to extra energy to keep us safe. So through creating safety, through rest, nourishing ourselves, and listening to our body, trust naturally follows when we are able to listen and respond to our body. So here's an example. You try to force yourself into new habits, but you feel resistance. That isn't because you can't do that new habit. Like if you wanted to go for a walk every day for 30 minutes, feeling resistance or not wanting to do that behavior doesn't mean that you're wrong, but it's because your system doesn't feel safe enough to let you do that activity every day. Another example could be let yourself rest when you're tired, you eat when you're hungry, you stop pushing and your body begins to soften. That's safety, and that's where trust grows. So building self-trust and that we're going to show up for ourselves as we deserve to, it's a slow process and safety has to come in. So today's invitation is to ask yourself, what would help me feel safer right now? And maybe it might be rest, might be slowing down, might be doing, deep breathing or some box breathing. It might just be nourishing yourself. But I want you to choose one small thing today that helps you feel safer. And if today feels hard, safety feels unfamiliar, that's understandable. Your system might be used to pressure and going, right? Safety is something that we build gradually over time. So every small thing we do to remind our body that it's safe matters and it builds that self-trust over time. So I want you to do one thing today that might make your body feel safer. And it might look like just having a snack when you feel hungry or when your energy is low and trusting that that's providing safety to your body. Come back tomorrow for day 28 in our 30-day self-trust challenge.